Sekena ikhuza bafethu Chopez Gwenye. We came back again bafethu kenana monana kenana the Black Valcast my sports edition re shoota episode engwe hape. Okay bafethu before izinto ezibhaya bafethu ke kopa le presse nda fatshe la sebeze click ya comment share subscribe. Please follow us. Please follow our podcast bafethu. Please kopa le support bafethu ezasevale zasekasi. Without wasting any time, ke batla go introduce show e ke tshwereng le update tseng ka monana le nate itsebiso gore ke mang. And then rona re shapa ka di marketing le Zulu sithawe seSotho isilungu kaofela tsona kalbitso ke Ntsimbi unkosinathwa kaZondi. And then nka mo ke tshwere out yaka and then ngatheng go re introduce hore le ene ntle ke mang hotspot edition.
Yeah, sure bafethu mina igama lami Mbanelo kaMangqamba. Yeah, we are here. We are here guys to give you everything that has to do with sports. We are dealing with sports. Actually diski kakhulu idiski lasekasi. Gonna give you PSL, gonna give you ama tournament wasekasi and everything guys that you want to know. More especially ke from la ezasefaki ke ama tournament asekasi. We're speaking about the previous Betway Premiership. That we're gonna give you everything. Yeah.
Thank you Banzo. Banzo seke izintroducile kanjalo bafethu. Ke batla hore ke le hopotsa hore today bafethu re shoota this episode after a big weekend. Most South Africa it's very proud and very happy.
Yeah, yo. As we saw this past weekend, guys, it's been amazing. We saw Ipagania lifting the league. We saw Mamelodi Sundowns Zolo lifting the Champions League. We had a great season, guys. It's been a good season. It's been a good season for the league lasemzansi. League player to the Semzansi. We didn't think it's going to end like this. Seeing game decided on the last day of the league. It's been amazing. And then coming to a game like Zolo, the Champions League in Yo, I think it was amazing seeing Sundowns going on and win the Champions League after 10 years. And also looking at the Pirates, it's been 14 years and then they've been chasing. And then be chasing the Finnoki. So I think Ipagania, as much as they chase and they show the hunger of wanting to lift, because they've been lifting what? They've been lifting the domestic cups when MTN8 keep play bully, Nedbank. So now the big fish, they finally caught the big fish of which in Betway Premier League. They've been chasing, bruh. So yeah. And then up on the Sundowns now, they've been chasing that CAF Champions League for 10 years. Last season they went on the finals, they lost on the final, but then they didn't. Would you give up for something that you want so much when you like I want this, I want to catch this. So they went on this is all and won the CAF Champions League. It's been an amazing season. We are hoping to see it now next season is we are hoping to see some of the teams that are going to participate in the CAF Champions League going on to represent when you play continental football, when you play in a domestic league like South Africa, so when you go to Africa, you don't represent a team, you representing the whole country. So we saw Sundowns doing that, and then what I saw is all, and it was great for me. Now, even though we are rivals, we get the support from our fans. Sundowns got the support from Kaizer Chiefs, got the support from Pirates, got the support from the other teams. It was amazing to see Guti. Even though we are rivals, we support each other. So as much as the Pirates and I went on and won the league, it was nice in Pirates winning the league. I don't want to lie. I was happy to see the guys happy winning the league, finally clinching the title because it's been coming, Brian.
No, I it's been saying it was a very, very, very exciting moment for the South African. Once again, Bafethu, let me say congratulations to Amasandawana. All over Masandawana Bafethu, congratulations. Orlando Pirates, congratulations to you too, Bafethu. DDC Orlando Pirates, congratulations. Kruger, Lapho Mpumalanga, congratulations for coming to Betway Premiership. And then, unfortunately, and tough luck, getting to the temple where you get relegated, others are getting promoted. We saw Baroka going down, we saw Leopards going down. So it was a very sad moment for all people who was in Limpopo. They lost the football in their neighboring towns. But then that's a story for football. That's how things are. So, as I said, we congratulate the Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns about the achievement, the greatest achievement out of all years. And then, other than most, we just want to say thank you to all the supporters, all the fans who have been showing up throughout, from the first game until the last game, of which a league, your domestic trophies and continental football, your loyalty, your support and everything. It meant a lot for South Africans.
Yeah, it's in people they think Kaizer Chiefs didn't give their best. Chiefs the past season, I think it's what I don't know. I'm not sure, maybe last season or the other season. Chiefs have been not doing well in the past season, but people, they don't want to talk about how Chiefs done this season. Chiefs work so hard to finish there, to go on and cement that confederation spot in Africa. They've done well, bruh. Compared to how they played, season critics and whatnot, Chiefs played well. They played really well. They almost challenged for that second position.
They didn't play well this season, but they tried their best.
But you must give it to them.
They tried.
So you can't tell me these guys, they played well. They played really well.
No, they didn't play well, but they fought to come to the party.
So comparing,
they fought
where
they are.
Okay, yeah, comparing from last season, not finishing in the top 8, not being part of the what?
That's an improvement.
My man, not finishing in the top 8, not being part of the MTN 8. Now this season going on and distracting Pagani and Sundowns to early clinching the league. Don't you want to tell me what Laban they fought? But even though they didn't give their best, we must give it to them. And now that they are going to my man,
they fought.
When but Mamela now they are going to Africa. We are all going to Africa. The best 3 teams in South Africa, they are all going to Africa.
Last season they went to
yes, through what?
Through Nedbank. They took even last season they took a cup out of before when they took Nedbank last season. They had 10 years awaiting without lifting anything.
Are you
aware? The Chiefs Kalanga this season.
They're calling a cup.
Exactly.
No,
it was a build up.
I hear you out here, man.
It was a build up. They came into the league motivated. Remember that in Nedbank it plays now by the end of the season. Nedbank it plays by the end of the season.
Yes.
Right before your last 3 games of the season. So now you go to the next season. You are motivated.
So when was the last time you saw Kaizer Chiefs finishing third? When was the last time seeing Chiefs fighting this hard to try to at least to challenge for that number?
This season they had a reason.
Yeah, so what I'm really trying to say, Jam, I believe if ever they can go on and put in the mentality they put this season, I think they can go on and try to challenge for the number 1 spot. We don't know, but then they will have to go. They will have to go to the market. They'll have to see what are they doing. I don't know. I had a rumor, but I'm not sure what's happening in Naturena. I had a rumor that the co-coaches they might leave. They might open the spot for another coach. I don't know. But then, my wish is that I don't wish Kaizer Chiefs to drop the 2 co-coaches because they've been doing well, or maybe they can go on because I think Willie Lepo is going. They might as well replace Willie Lepo with a better player because I think Willie Lepo was a better player for them coming goals and assists.
How is Willie Lepo going from the Chiefs?
Willie Lepo, I think Willie Lepo.
There was an official statement.
Yeah,
there was an official statement coming from the team itself.
Okay, let me break it down to you. When you see a player post a certain post on social media,
Says
player
goodbye.
he says
Bye
says,
bye.
bye bye Mzansi, I'm leaving.
Yes, because he's not a South African. It's the end of the season.
So what are you
It's
trying
off
to say?
season. I'm saying I'm going back home.
So he's a professional player.
No,
he cannot
even
be,
if
he cannot be saying goodbyes.
Goodbye, South Africa. No,
he's,
it has been.
He's not far from his
No,
home
but
when he's here. Come on,
Banzo, listen. I have been here the entire season without leaving, and then I am going back home. Okay, sharp.
How is that possible?
Do you know anything, any closures within the contract?
They are still, I think the Trojan, they are still coming.
No,
But then, okay, tell me now.
The contract.
Tell me now, Zone.
Listen,
you have played in a professional
yes.
setup. You have played in an official league whereby you know as a player how to how to conduct yourself and how to control social media. How can you not go to social media with things like this?
But there's nothing bad when I post saying goodbye. When I'm saying bye-bye.
So when are you telling me Ngutuli Lepo was saying bye-bye because he's going back to where?
I'm going back home.
No.
I've been to South Africa. It's off season now.
Right.
Why? Okay, sharp.
Lepo is leaving. I think Claudine Lepo is leaving.
Yes, you see. So, I think the good word around it. You might say you think. You don't say he's leaving Kaizer Chiefs because there was never an official statement.
So when you're telling me, do you know that the professional team, they don't really release, they don't go on their page or wherever and say this kind of a player has left. They have their own time to say, this player and this player they have left. Before, player,